Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some Manhunt Part 2. We don't have as many people this time. Kitty VR is not in this one. For some reason. We don't talk about that. Look at this guy's beatbox. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. We're playing with these amazing people. Please like and subscribe. And this guy's a Leaf VR fan. Yeah, I think you guys should be too. We're going to be posting every day if you guys want to join this code. And yeah, let's get straight in the video. Okay, you guys ready? I'm going to unmute. Okay, you guys are all unmuted. You guys can talk.
You should have got me. I was acting like I was a boxer.
Where are you? Which one are you? Are you?
Wait, is your name Emmett?
Wait, what? How are you? Wait, what? I didn't know that. Wait, what? Okay, I guess he is here.
Kitty VR, I'm gonna go.
Kitty VR is here, I guess. He was the Leaf fan. Okay. Oh, everybody get tagged. Everybody get tagged. Who's still alive? Oh, it's Purple.
The person with the hat.
Hey, Purple, participate. Purple, please participate and let us tag you. Okay, everybody go picnic table. Lava go on top of the scoreboard. Oh, perfect. Everybody go picnic table. Go picnic table. Everybody go picnic. Hey guys, watch this. Ready? John Cena. Okay, everybody stay on picnic table. No, wait. One sec. Let me do this real quick. Okay, who's going first? Oh my.
I'll go first. Me, I'm green. Right here. I'm recording. So today I'm recording.
Let's do green. Green. Actually no. Yeah, green and then you. White.
Emmett, be quiet because
and then you.
don't have you muted.
And me. Okay?
So everybody has to get tagged and then I don't.
Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Does this look like a joke to y'all?
Today,
You don't look like a joke.
we are going to be playing Manhunt with
you look like a
one and only Leaf VR. Yeah.
Here, nobody tag green.
Shoot.
Don't tag the light green.
It's Kitty VR.
Yeah, so I just slapped my goal, but that's alright. Because today, we're going to be making a video, Manhunt.
Okay.
All these
Manhunt.
people, so please
Nobody
subscribe.
tag him. Don't tag him.
That's it.
Okay.
No, why not tag green?
Cause he's it. He's the Manhunt.
And
He's
no, what?
Yeah,
You wanna play Manhunt?
he's running. He's the one that's running.
Oh, you don't play
Hey, are we gonna
Manhunt
go to the gazebo?
That's how I play Manhunt. Okay. And if you be toxic again, then
Don't tag.
okay.
Me being toxic?
Don't tag him. No, guys, don't tag him. Okay. Guys, green, go
I
picnic.
can tag you in a matter of
Green, go
seconds.
picnic. Everybody, come over here. Everybody, no, don't tag him. Everybody, come over to slide. Everybody, go slide. Everybody, go slide.
Green? No, everybody go on top of stuff. Green, you go in the treehouse.
Oh yeah, green, go treehouse. Green, go treehouse.
Got that on camera. He just sticked up the middle finger.
Go treehouse. Go treehouse. Everybody, go stump. Everybody, go stump. All lavas.
Everybody go stop except for green. You go to treehouse.
Shh, Porter. Be quiet.
Where are we going?
Can you
Okay.
hear my music?
We're supposed to
No.
tag green.
Okay, everybody, get up, stump. I need to see every single person.
You
Here.
have 5 seconds to run after we say go.
No. Everybody's got to get up, stump. Everybody's got to get stump.
In or on?
Let Leafs count down.
Yeah, I'll count down.
Okay.
Okay, ready, guys?
Wait.
And
Right
10,
here?
9, sure. 8.
No.
You can run. Green, you can start running.
6.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Hey, what
2,
is Jason?
1, go.
What the hell? I didn't expect all of you to be after me. To be honest.
Oh, okay.
My turn.
Oh yeah, it's his turn.
Seconds.
It's this guy's turn.
No, it's me. It's me
No.
that tags them goes.
No,
Tags them
dude, we already have an order, dude. Or
No,
you're not.
I'm going.
You can do a separate
Hey, bro,
video,
is
dude.
this-
We're
is
already
this Lobby your
going.
name?
Stop going.
Okay, everybody, tag here, tag me. Top hat. Okay, everybody get tagged. Besides White,
He said Aaron's going.
Bro, you're not.
except for Arab.
You're not.
Where's Arab?
No, tag. No, I'm going. You shut up.
I'm right here, don't tag me.
Bro, what is this your lobby?
Shut. Don't tag me, Emmett. Holy crap.
Oh crap.
Okay, now
Okay.
I'm gonna restart.
Everybody tags 96 and Chips. Chips.
We have to restart.
No,
Because
we
you
don't.
tagged me. I'm staying. Emmett,
You're not
we have to
going.
restart because you tagged me.
No, you're not doing it, dude. This is my
You
video.
told me that I was going first before we even started
In your
with our video.
delusional
Before
mind.
we even went into a lobby.
In your
When
delusional
we were on
mind.
a call. Shut up. That's why you have no friends at school.
Oh my, stop being so toxic. I'm gonna mute you.
Ooh, I'm having a heart attack. I'm getting
Tell him to
scoliosis.
stop being toxic.
I'm getting scoliosis.
Can you guys go?
Sorry, Chips. Here, is it just blue? Is it just White alive?
Oh my god. No, the orange gave me scoliosis.
No, it's here, blue get
I'm
tagged.
gonna unmute the only one that's not super annoying. But still
Blue.
is pretty annoying.
Everybody go tag blue.
How much do you think the world revolves?
No, green.
Blue?
Green.
No!
Okay. Okay, White.
Everybody
White.
unsubscribe from Leaf VR. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Subscribe.
Here, guys. Everybody goes
unsubscribe
tree
from
stump.
Kitty.
Tree stump. Lavas go tree stump.
Treehouse.
No, lavas go tree stump.
I have a second. I'm going next. I have a second.
Okay, you can go next.
I have a second. You take care of. You told me before we were.
Hey, lavas.
Seriously friends with this
When
kid?
you were still at the restaurant, you said, "Let's play manhunt," and you're going first.
Okay, guys. Let's do it. Everybody go
You're
top.
friends with this kid?
Hey, Kitty VR, I'm gonna mute you if you keep on saying stuff like that. By the way.
Leaf VR. Leaf VR. Leaf VR. I'm behind you. Come here.
Hey, leave.
I
They're
already
obviously
ended
not
my-
gonna let me go, so I'm probably just gonna leave.
No, we're all gonna let you go.
I
It's
ended my-
retarded
I
kid
ended
video.
I ended my recording early.
Okay.
And what?
Okay, guys.
Like,
Who's it?
if I'm
Who's
gonna
it?
be saying stuff like what?
Who's it? Oh, tag me. Everybody get tagged besides White, because someone tagged White on accident.
Leaf, like what? Saying stuff like what?
No, Aaron is my
Kitty.
name. I'm Aaron. I'm the guy going.
Saying stuff like what? Answer my question.
Just stop saying personal stuff about me.
I won't tag you. Like what? I'm gonna go around. I said if you that you went to a restaurant. If you
Muted.
I said if you want to see
Okay.
my second channel, all
Hey.
you have to do is go to the
Oh my god.
search bar
Oh my god.
and type in.
Okay, is it just White? Is it just White? Is it just White?
Yes. No, not
No,
even
there's
close.
2 more left.
Green and purple.
It's the same people. Hey, that's White.
They're tree camping.
I'm going, don't tag me.
Yeah, there's
You went first. What is the easiest? We're all the way up here, so. what
No,
is the easiest
dude.
to get right now?
Dude, bro, stop
I
griefing.
don't think
You guys are
quite
griefing.
understand how this works.
Oh my god.
Bro, Green, do you know how this works? It's a manhunt. We chase one
Both of them
person.
within 5 seconds. Okay, we can start now.
Okay, White, go treehouse. Actually, no, all lavas go treehouse. White, you go stump. Lavas go treehouse.
If you're in treehouse, when you leave treehouse, it's gonna be super hard and you're gonna fall. So it's
I don't-
easier if you're in stump.
I don't think it's hard to jump out a window or run out a door.
Bro, if you try to jump, I tried to jump out of the window, but I slipped.
Sounds like a you problem.
Okay, everybody, 3. Wait, 5 seconds. Okay. Hey, okay, you can go. We're going.
Chase, dude.
White, we're going now, because you're already getting chased, so. Ah! Come here. Oh, what?
Oh,
I swear you just tagged him. Oh, let's go. Where'd you go?
Again.
Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. Alright, guys, go get White! Bro, White's actually cracked. Cracked the game, oh my.
I
Oh,
have
no.
followed his movement for about 1 minute. A good 1 minute.
Okay, nice. White! Oh my. Oh, my head is hurting. Oh my goodness, I'm doing so bad.
You can hear him breathing.
Yeah, you can hear us
I'm not
He's
breathing.
getting tired. He's getting
The sweater, the
tired.
better.
No, the more sweaty he is, the more energy he wastes.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Nice.
Good job.
Okay, I'm gonna go next. Okay, is that okay with all you guys?
I'm out of breath, by the way.
Try going for a sneak attack while you
Okay, I'm gonna go next and then chicken hand.
I recall me being next, but
Yeah, you're already it. So, everybody tag everybody besides me, which is green. Tag 96 and chips. Guys, can you please participate, blue and purple? Or I'm gonna just leave you guys.
Hey, by the way, hey, you, leaf, where's the leaf?
Right here.
I'm not gonna tag you. If I would still be going right now if I did not mess it up. So, this is my route. I don't actually have route, I only freestyle. But where was I? Like right here?
Okay, wait, we're gonna do it. Everybody go treehouse. Everybody go treehouse.
Like this, and fling myself around.
I'm doing super bad right now, so you guys are probably gonna tag me in like 0.2 seconds.
Hey guys, wait, can I him 1v1 type thing?
I'll do 1v1 next video with randoms.
No, white, I'm talking about white. White can get you.
Yeah, I know white can.
Oh, the one that's white. Yeah.
Okay, hey, go back in. Everybody go back in.
I was practicing something.
One of you guys count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Manhunt begin.
I'm messing up!
Like, you're messing up really, really bad.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ah! Go. Bro, my headset is loose. On my head.
That's
Sounds like a you problem.
Ah!
That's why you're playing bad. You don't have your headset.
You got me out of the wall. Nice.
I know why you're playing bad.
Perfect.
Can I get a retry?
Monkey! Come here, White.
No, you don't tag him. Who's the one going?
Oh yeah, White's it. Monkey! Get everybody else.
I'm not tagging you. I'm not gonna tag you. High five me. Yeah.
Hey, get green.
You ain't getting me. I used to ride these trees for miles. I used to ride these trees for miles.
Just like I rode your mom.
Oh!
I used to
Snap!
ride these trees for miles.
That was a good cross, wasn't it, Lee?
Okay. All lavas, go treehouse. You know the drill.
Okay, that's gonna be super easy for
Did
me.
you see how fast I climbed that, Lee?
Oh,
Hold up, I need to...
who's griefing?
Purple?
It was purple.
Oh my. Okay. We're just gonna do one game of infection, I guess then. Is that okay with you?
Come on, please.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Hey, wait, can we have another try? Like, I kind
Hey,
of really want to go.
everybody get tagged, and we're just gonna start manhunt right off the back.
No,
See?
no, can I please do manhunt?
Yeah, I know. Everybody's gonna get tagged, and we're gonna just start the manhunt as soon as everybody gets tagged. Besides you.
Are we supposed to taste white with the chicken
I
wing?
was going next.
The only white in the circle.
Oh, no, not.
Hey, I thought I was going next.
Hey, who's still alive? Besides purple and
White?
Purple?
no, besides white. White's staying alive. Oh.
I almost slapped the black off him.
Oh, bro, who's tagging white?
Hear that? Did you
Bye,
hear him?
guys.
This guy.
What?
Tagged me.
I gotta show y'all something cool before I leave.
This bear white.
1 sec.
Did you know you can pinch climb up this wall? Alright, now I gotta go by.
Hey, restart.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Hey, White! Hey, tag the gorilla. Whatever his name is. It's really Kitty VR. He just joined back as a different person. Here, get tagged, Top Hat. White hat, Top Hat.
I'll stay on the ground and you just have to work for it.
Where?
Well, never mind.
Okay.
Yes, kiss me, bro.
Is that everyone? Or is there another one? There's one more. It's Gorilla. Yeah, I know. He's annoying right now. Very annoying. Everybody get him. He's probably going to be in like one more of my videos if he keeps on being like this. But... Oh, snap. There he is.
Hold up. Oh, it's not presents.
Okay, we're going. White, go. We're going.
Oh, go?
Yeah, let's go. We're starting early, so there's no griefers and shiz now. Okay. Come here. Huh. Bro, what am I doing today? I suck so bad. Here, after this one, I'm gonna go, and then we're gonna... Actually, no, this is the last one. Because this is already such a long video. White, if you get over 2 minutes, then that's it, and you win. By the way.
No, actually, that's kind of how long I went for.
Yeah, almost. Oh my, White is routing. White's ground route. Oh my, what is that? I cannot. Ow. Can nobody tag him?
This man. Oh, I'm not really trying.
I know, but can just nobody tag him? Oh, you got tagged. Okay.
I'm the white guy too.
The energy in this video is kind of bad, but everybody like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.